Hello crafties, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the popcorn stitch. So it's really simple. It's kind of fidgety, but it's really simple in theory. It's kind of similar to the bobble stitch or the puff stitch. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to move my swatch to the side here. And we are going to start off with a slip knot. So, to work this stitch, you're going to want to chain in multiples of 2 plus 1. So, I'm going to go for 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then plus 1 for turning. And we are going to single crochet in that second chain from our hook. Not sure if I should zoom in a little bit. And we're just going to single crochet in every stitch along for row 1. Okay, so now that we have that, we are going to chain 1 and turn our work. And we are going to single crochet in the base of that chain 1, so in that very first stitch. Okay, and in the next stitch we are going to put 5 double crochets. Yes, 5. So yarning over, inserting our hook, yarning over, pulling up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We're going to make 4 more of these in the same stitch. Now here's where it might be a little bit tricky. What we're going to do is pull up our loop and take out our hook. And I like to put my finger in that loop just so I don't lose it. And we're going to come back to this first double crochet we made. And we're going to insert our hook into that stitch. And then we're going to put our hook back into our loop. And we're just going to slip stitch it and chain 1. And then we're going to single crochet in that very next stitch, which may become hard to see later, but it's right there. And we're just going to single crochet. And that is our very first popcorn. And so now we can do another one. Putting 5 double crochets in that next stitch. And 5. Okay, and again we're going to pull up our loop. We're going to come back to this very first double crochet and insert our hook. Put that loop we were just working with back on our hook and slip stitch it right through that first double crochet. We chain 1 to finish it off, and we single crochet in the next stitch. Right? And then we do another one. And this is basically our pattern for the rest of the row. Alright, and this is row 1. Okay, now for row 3. Row 3 is really relatively simple. What you're going to do is chain 1 and turn your work. And you're going to single crochet into the base of that chain 1. And then you're going to single crochet right in the top of the next of that popcorn stitch. So you want to watch for these little V's that you'll see on top that came from you slip stitching and single crocheting. You're just going to place a single crochet there. And then what you're going to do is single crochet on top of that single crochet from the previous row. And then you're going to single crochet on top of that next popcorn stitch. And you're going to keep doing this all the way across until you reach the end. And single crochet into that last single crochet. And so this is what it looks like on the back. And this is what it looks like on the front. So if you were to continue this up here, I think I did like 4 or 5 rows of stitches. And so, see if that'll focus more. And so this is what it looks like, and the more, of course, rows you do, the more these little popcorn bubbles will stick out. I hope today's tutorial was helpful. If so, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Let me know how I did down below. If you have any questions, let me know. Also, I'll be glad to further explain things. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on weekly content. I post crochet tutorials every Sunday. And I'm also on several different social media platforms. You can also check out my Etsy pattern shop for a bunch of cool deals. I know right now I have a bunch of sales going on because it's the end of the year. So that's cool. And until next time, guys, happy making.